Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. English Coach. In today's lesson, we will practice daily English sentences for beginners. This is a Say With Me lesson. Please relax. Do not worry about mistakes. You do not need to think too much. Just listen carefully, then repeat after me. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Take your time. Let's begin together. First, we will practice greetings. These sentences are very common. People use them every day. Listen first. Good morning. Now repeat with me. Good morning. Very good. Good morning is used in the early part of the day. We usually say it before noon. Let's say it again. Good morning. Nice. Now listen to the next greeting. Good afternoon. Repeat with me. Good afternoon. Good job. Good afternoon is used afternoon. We say it in the daytime. Let's repeat again. Good afternoon. Excellent. Now listen. Good evening. Repeat. Good evening. Very nice. Good evening is used in the evening time. We say it when the sun is going down. Let's repeat one more time. Good evening. Great work. Now let's practice a very common question. Listen carefully. How are you? Repeat. How are you? Good. This is a polite question. We use it when we meet someone. Let's repeat again. How are you? Nice. Now listen to the answer. I am fine, thank you. Repeat slowly. I am fine, thank you. Very good. This is a polite answer. You can use it in formal situations. Let's repeat again. I am fine, thank you. Excellent. Now listen to another simple answer. I am good. Repeat. I am good. Nice job. This answer is short and friendly. People use it with friends. Repeat again. I am good. Well done. Now we will practice introducing yourself. This is very important in daily life. Listen first. My name is Anna. Repeat. My name is Anna. Good. You can change the name. You can use your own name. Let's repeat again. My name is Anna. Nice. Now listen. What is your name? Repeat. What is your name? Good. This is a common question. We ask it when we meet someone new. Repeat again. What is your name? Very good. Now listen to a polite sentence. Nice to meet you. Repeat. Nice to meet you. Great. This sentence is friendly and polite. People like to hear it. Repeat again. Nice to meet you. Excellent. Now listen to the answer. Nice to meet you too. Repeat. Nice to meet you too. Very nice. Repeat again. Nice to meet you too. Good job. Now let's practice daily actions. These sentences talk about your daily life. Listen carefully. I wake up early. Repeat. I wake up early. Good. This sentence talks about the morning. Repeat again. I wake up early. Nice. Now listen. I go to work. Repeat. I go to work. Very good. This sentence is about your job. Repeat again. I go to work. Excellent. Now listen. I eat breakfast. Repeat. I eat breakfast. Good. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Repeat again. I eat breakfast. Nice. Now listen. I am at home. Repeat. I am at home. Very good. This sentence tells your location. Repeat again. I am at home. Excellent. Now listen carefully. I am tired. Repeat. I am tired. Good. This sentence talks about your feeling. Repeat again. I am tired. Nice. Now listen to an important sentence. I am learning English. Repeat slowly. I am learning English. Very good. This sentence is about your goal. Repeat again. I am learning English. Excellent work. Now we will practice asking for help. These sentences are very useful. Listen. Can you help me? Repeat. Can you help me? Good. This is a polite request. Repeat again. Can you help me? Nice. Now listen. Please help me. Repeat. Please help me. Very good. This sentence is direct and polite. Repeat again. Please help me. Excellent. Now listen. I don't understand. Repeat slowly. I don't understand. Good. This sentence is very important for learners. Repeat again. I don't understand. Nice. Now listen. Please speak slowly. Repeat. Please speak slowly. Very good. You can use this sentence with teachers. Repeat again. Please speak slowly. Excellent. Now let's practice polite English. Being polite is very important. Listen. Thank you. Repeat. Thank you. Good. This sentence shows respect. Repeat again. Thank you. Nice. Now listen. Thank you very much. Repeat. Thank you very much. Very good. This sounds more polite. Repeat again. Thank you very much. Excellent. Now listen. You're welcome. Repeat. You're welcome. Good. This sentence is a reply to thank you. Repeat again. You're welcome. Well done. Now let's review together. Listen and repeat. I am learning English. Repeat. I am learning English. Excellent. You are doing great. Practice every day. Speak slowly. Speak with confidence. Thank you for learning with me. Follow Mr. English Coach for daily English practice. See you in the next lesson.